There's a company paying $50 an hour right now for a job that is very, very simple. Another pays $30 an hour just to tell AI is wrong, like grading a robot's homework. Yes, no degree required, no interviews, no calls, just a laptop and a Wi-Fi. My name is Anointed Cletus and I've completed over 76 remote jobs for clients I've never met in person. There are a lot of remote workers making a lot of money online. Not from anything exciting, but from boring jobs, the ones that everybody scroll past. Today I'm giving you 5 of them and every single one of them is hiring right now. But if you leave before the end of this video, you'll miss the simple trick that is the difference between you applying for months or getting hired in weeks. The first job is AI data labeler or reinforcement trainer. Every AI company on earth needs real humans to grade their AI answers. Your job is very simple. You read AI generated text or images and then rate them. Is it accurate? Is it safe? Is it helpful? You know, AI can be crazy sometimes. Just think of it as being a teacher, except the student is a $1 billion AI model. The pay ranges from $15 to $35 an hour and it's paid directly into your account. Now here's the question I know that you're asking. Do I need experience? No. Most platforms gives you a short assessment test instead of a full-blown interview. You pass the test and you're in the project pool the same day. Companies hiring right now for these roles are OneFormer, Aligner, and CrowdGem by APen. All of them accept applicants from outside the US, including Nigeria. All you need is a laptop, a strong internet connection, and a good reading comprehension. But here's the part that almost nobody mentions about this job. The real money is not in the hourly rates, it's in the specialization. Labelers with subject expertise like coding or medicine gets pulled into higher paying projects. Please keep that in mind because it's about to matter in the next job too. 93.5% of you watching my videos frequently do not subscribe, but if you've ever enjoyed my video, please can you do me a favor by clicking the subscribe button. It helps the channel more than you know, and the bigger the channel becomes, the bigger the opportunities, the collaborations, the giveaways, and even the free value I can bring you. Now the first job pays very well, but it's still an hourly and a gig style work. But the next job pays monthly and it comes with something even better: stability. The second job is international customer success specialist, where you work B2B. Forget everything you know about call centers because this is nothing like that. In B2B customer success role, you onboard clients into a software platform. You answer support tickets, run schedule checking calls, and keep clients happy. Picture yourself as a concierge, except your guest is a company and not a person. The pay runs from $1,200 to as much as $3,500 per month, and it climbs fast with experience. Will they train you? Yes. Almost every company trains you with their exact tool. The companies actively hiring for this are MailerLite, Asana, Cloudbeds, and Crossover. Asana specifically lists roles like anywhere in the world, meaning you qualify even if you are from Nigeria, India, Europe, America, wherever. But the skill that actually gets you hired here is not technical skill, it's communication. And companies retain clients through people, not software. So this role is recession proof. If a company cuts down their staff, the company's success role is usually the last thing they touch. That's not a guess. Retaining high paying clients is the top priority of every business. Now the next one will surprise you even more because it's one of the highest trust roles you can land even with zero technical experience. Job number 3 is remote executive assistant for foreign founders. This is where you manage someone else's calendar, travel, inbox, and daily activities, except that person is a founder or a CEO in a different country entirely. Think of yourself as a professional second brain that also happens to talk. The pay ranges from $800 to $2,500 a month, and long-term clients push it even higher. Here's the smartest move for this one. Make sure you skip individual job listings completely. Apply directly to matching agencies that places assistants from Africa with global founders. Companies like Athena Executive Assistants, Boldly, Hire Hunger Global, and Talent Pop all do exactly this. These agencies vet you once, they match you repeatedly to new clients. The skills you need to learn well to be able to be effective in this role is you need to learn Google Workspace, Slack, Calendly, and basic project management tools like Trello. You don't need a business degree. You need reliability and communication. This is one of the few roles where trust alone can double your income over time. By the way, I put together a completely free remote work bundle for you. It has resume templates, proposal templates, and a list of companies hiring right now. The link is in the description and in the pinned comments. You can go and grab it after watching this video. And if you're interested in going deeper into freelancing and actually getting clients fast, I have something for you and it's in the description below. Check it out. It's going to lead you to my WhatsApp account and then we can talk and I'll see how I can help you. Job number 4 is localization project manager. You don't need to speak 5 languages for this job. Your only responsibility is managing people who do. Big companies, large companies expanding into new markets need people to manage translators and deadlines. You're not translating anything. You're making sure that nothing goes embarrassingly wrong. The pay typically runs from $1,500 to $4,000 per month, which is huge for entry-level work. And the companies hiring right now are Localize, Lionbridge, SmartLink, and Keyword Studios. Keyword Studios specifically localizes video games into different languages, and they are constantly hiring for this role. Now, how do you get in? The way to get in is that you need to get very comfortable with 2 translation tools. The first is Phrase, and the second one is SmartLink. And once you get comfortable with this, you can then start applying. That alone puts you ahead of most applicants who show up without even having any knowledge of any tool. Is this saturated? Not even close. Most people don't know that this job title exists. That's the whole theme of this video. It's low competition because the title sounds boring. I've saved the best one for last, and it's not even close. This is the job with the highest paying ceiling in the entire list. If you only remember one job from this video, remember this one. Job number 5 is technical documentation writer. Every piece of software you've ever used videos has a manual that nobody notices, and someone gets paid very well to write that manual, and it's rarely the engineers. All you do is that you interview the engineers and turn their technical chaos into clear, simple instructions. Just think of yourself like a translator between people who code and people who don't code. The entry pay starts at $20 per hour and goes as high as $50 an hour as a contractor. Companies hiring for this are GitLab, Canonical, and Innodata, plus a dedicated job board called Write the Docs. GitLab and Canonical are fully remote companies by design, and they hire globally. Now, do you need a coding background? No. You need clarity, you need patience, and you need curiosity. Now, here's actually how to get hired with zero experience. Pick any app you already use and write a short how-to guide for one feature. That simple sample becomes your portfolio. I don't need to work any job or get a client to create it. There are people who land paid contracts using nothing but just a free sample document. This is the job with the least competition and the highest income ceiling combined. That combination almost never exists. That's why I saved it for last. Now, here's the bonus trick that I promised you at the start. Almost every single beginner makes the same mistake. They only apply, but they never attract. Here's what changed everything for me in freelancing, and it applies to every single job on the list. I stopped sending applications and I started posting my work publicly. I began posting my short form videos on Instagram and LinkedIn, and within weeks, clients started messaging me first, and I stopped chasing every single opportunity. One client found me on LinkedIn and paid me around 150,000 naira, which is like $100 per week. That's the shift. Don't just apply to jobs. Make sure you build publicly. A portfolio link in your bio works while you sleep. It works while you're in class, and it also works when you're offline. So make sure you add your portfolio link to your Instagram bio or your LinkedIn, because this one habit is the difference between applying for 6 months or getting found in 6 weeks. So there you have it. 5 boring jobs hiring right now: AI data labeling, customer success, executive assistance, localization, and technical writing. None of them need years of experience. What they need is someone that's willing to start with the unglamorous work that everyone else skips. And if you want a shortcut, I built a remote work starter kit with everything in it: resume templates, proposal templates, AI prompts, and a 30-day plan for your first dollar. And because I know that money is tight now for most of us, I made it very, very affordable, and it's going for just $4. And it's linked below if you want to skip the guesswork completely. So drop a comment with your country, boring. So you can say boring Nigeria, boring Pakistan, boring India, just boring and your country. I'll read it and reply to every single comment. And by the way, over 90% of you guys watching this video have not subscribed yet. So if this helped you, can you please do me a favor by smashing that subscribe button and turning on the notification bell icon, because it's going to help me bring more valuable videos like this to you, so you don't miss any other update I share in the future. So if you're done applying and you're ready to get hired without a single interview, I made a video specifically for that. It's the 7 remote jobs that hire you instantly with no calls and no interviews. It's the natural next step after this video, and it might be the one that just gets you paid. Click on it and I'll see you there. Thanks so much for watching. God bless you.